Hello, guys. So I have been getting lots of questions from agents as far as how to update credit card information and as well as how to upgrade their membership. So that's going to be the purpose of today's quick training session. So let's just jump right in. So right now we are on the homepage of your Travelpreneur Dreams portal. And so where you're going to go at, you're going to go right here. You're going to go right here to profile. So you click on profile and it's going to take you to your profile where all of your account information is. So, all right. So now we're here. So this is my test account just to show you guys. Okay. And so if you're trying to update your payment information, this is what you're going to do. You're going to click on subscription. And then once you get to subscription, you see this right here. If you're trying to update your credit card, it's right here. And then so over here, this information here, this tells you when you're up for renewal, okay? So look, this was created on April the 28th of 2021. So that means that membership is going to be due again on April the 28th of 2022. So, you know, it's every single year. And so it even says it here. This says, well, it actually says, it tells you here. Next billing is going to be on April the 29th of 2023. So I guess, you know, it was paid already, of course. So next billing period, April the 29th. So if you want to know when does your account come up for renewal, it's right here. We have several individuals that are coming up for renewal for this month. And it's so important for you guys to make sure that you are active, because if you're not an active Travelpreneur Dreams agent, guess what? None of your accounts are active. If you're booking things and you're not an active agent, guess what? When you show up, they're liable to say you're not an agent. You're not an active member. Your account is not active. And then guess what's going to happen? You're going to have to pay consumer pricing because you're not an active agent. So make sure that you are active on this end. You're active on this end. We're connected to every single thing. All things travel agents are connected. All of your accounts are connected. Okay. So make sure that you're active. And if, like I said, if you want to know when you're up for renewal, right here, next billing date, it says it right there. So if you're coming up for renewal and you know that your credit card needs to be updated or that the funds are not going to be in that account, all you need to do is go over here, go to update. Okay. And then so it will bring the credit card form up. And then all you have to do is literally update your credit card information. And so give it a few seconds. It's a going. All right. So all you have to do is enter your new credit card information there and then hit submit. That's it. You hit submit and it's going to automatically draft out of that account. Okay. Whichever card that you put there. Okay. And so now I'm going to go back and show agents how to upgrade. I've had several questions from agents on how do they upgrade their membership. I'm going to show you. And so it's important to remember that when you're upgrading your membership, to upgrade your membership before you start booking, you know, all of those trips, because how it works is whatever level of membership that you're at, that's the commission that you're going to get paid once that booking has been processed. So let's say I'm at 80% commission today and tomorrow I'll go ahead and book something and the commissions come in, you know, a few months down the line, but at that time I'm at 90%. You're going to get 80% commission because that's the level that you were at when you book that trip. So if you know that you have big trips coming up, go ahead and upgrade before you book those trips, because you're going to get paid the commission membership that you're at based on when you booked. So when you booked, if you're at 80%, you're going to get paid 80%. If you're at 70%, you're going to get paid 70%. And if you're at 90%, then guess what? You're going to get paid your 90% commission. So whatever membership level that you are at when you book, that's what you're going to get paid when that commission gets cut. Okay. And so let's come over here. Let's show you how to change your membership. And so, you know, the prices here, they're different because, you know, I have a dummy account, like an admin account. So the prices here, you know, they'll be a lot different for you guys. But if you want to upgrade your membership, it's here. And, you know, let me say this too. You can downgrade your membership for the following year, but remember, everything is on an annual basis. So if you go in and you downgrade your membership, it won't automatically downgrade until next year. So you have a whole year to play around with your membership, upgrade your membership. And like I said, if you downgrade, it's not going to take effect until that following year. Okay, so if you want to upgrade your membership, all you have to do is come over here and click on whichever plan that you want. And then as you notice, everything is prorated. So it's not going to charge you the full amount. No, if you've been in your program for your membership for 10 days, it's going to take those 10 days of membership off and, you know, only charge you for, you know, the remaining 355 days. And so everything is on an annual basis. So this is how you upgrade your membership, upgrade or downgrade your membership. But remember, it won't, the downgrade will not take effect until the following year. And so all you have to do is come over here, select your plan. Once you select your plan, everything will be automatic. Okay. So I really, really hope that this I really, really hope that this training video helped you guys to see, 1, how to update your credit card, 2, how to figure out when you're up next for your next billing cycle, and then 3, how to change your membership plan. And so, like I said, for this month, we have a lot of agents that are coming up for renewal. You guys log into your accounts, go to profile, from profile, go to subscriptions, and check on when you're up for renewal, which is going to be right there. Okay. And so it's only going to try to deduct. This is automatic. You know, I don't sit here and press buttons manually. No, everything is done automatically. It's only going to try to withdraw it from your account a few times. After it has tried to withdraw it from your account a few times, it's going to automatically inactivate all of your accounts. So you guys try to stay up to date. And I hope that this training video helped you guys. Until our very next training video, bye.